Hello? Hello? Hello there, Ned, Kitty Meows, and Boner. Yeah, DevStream. DevStream, it's time. We're doing the stuff. Yeah, it's just, I guess we should just friggin', what is it doing? Come on, main scene. Oh, we're on the main scene. Why is desktop not showing? Oh, show desktop. There we go. Okay, so today, I really don't have much to do. This might actually be a short stream, but there's some gameplay movements that I've been saving. Gameplay movement changes I've been saving for streams, so that's what we're gonna do. So right now, to move, you press W, and the more you press W, the faster you go, and then you press S, the slower you go until you stop. We want it to just be like constant, and so you should just always be moving, and the only thing you can do is slow down slightly. It'd be like having brakes, but like you can't fully brake. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It's like it's like you're always putting the pedal down, and you can't stop, but you can apply the brake a bit, but it's still moving because you know what I mean. I mean, you're not supposed to do that while you're driving because it's really bad on the brakes, but yeah. So let's look at player movement. This is where the magic happens. This is it. This is the spot. There's also spawning groups. When we run the game. Sorry, I know I was just about to get in the code, but when you run the game, what happened? There we go. See these? This is because what it's trying to do. Let's get into this 2D view. And hello, Taco Cat. Next player. Okay. So what's happening is these guys are trying to spawn out of bounds. Yeah, like there's one over here. You see? It's right here. It's not supposed to be doing that. Because it's... The spawn area is like... I actually think the spawn area is this red... Is that red bounds? Oh, come on. No, freaking go away, Boot. I keep pressing this button. I don't know what it does. Or maybe it's not. I think this is the black area is actually the yeah, because you can see they spawn in there. So it's spawning anywhere within this, and it's not supposed to. Even the I actually don't know how the spawning for... Oh, look at all the guys killed. I don't know how the spawning works right now with the resources, specifically the crude. I mean, we don't even use crude, so we'll see. Anyway, that's not what we're working on. We're working on the speed right now. Movement. So there's a bunch of stuff in here. I totally just remembered. This used to be a very simple, and a lot of this code had to change so that the modules would or the segments would follow along the proper way. So we need to get... But I think that's mostly the turning stuff, which I don't think I have to mess with. Movement scale, acceleration, ground speed, sets movement speed. Okay, so we get the move action. this is where we're setting the movement speeds. So, let's actually just look at what that speed is for now. We'll do two things. We'll do how fast this is going, current, how much, what the value is we actually get from the controller, and then the value down here to process it. I'm like kind of waking up, so I'm kind of dead. Actually, that's not true. I'm just dead. I'm just dead. Speed input value. Move. And then I don't think we change it anywhere else. If pipes are on, I'd use them to help wake you up. Yeah, you can't be doing that during dev streams. I mean, I can still do it. There, now you guys are also awake. Okay. Oh. Okay, so the move value. Malbro got himself. I got myself. I got myself. I don't really care about this, because this isn't gonna happen anymore. We're never gonna go so slow that we stop. So I'm actually just gonna debug it right here, or log it here. This should actually be move. These are actually two different things. Speed input value is speed. Okay. This is gonna be really annoying to look at because of the friggin' spawning error. So actually, I'm gonna just disable that for now. Enemy manager. Yeah, we'll just disable it. Alpha Thorn Omega. Hello. Okay. So right now the value is 0. That makes sense. We press a bit. It's the speed. Our max speed is at what? Max speed is 1. Okay, so it's normalized. Wait. Oh, okay. Game will be a fish and boner kissing game. That sounds really weird. Now that I say that, maybe maybe DLC. Okay. I think this is really, really simple. If speed is only 1 here, like the max speed we get is 1. Where is it? If I just collapse it. Oh no, speed goes up. Never mind. No, wait. No, never mind. Those aren't. So max should be 1. Yeah, max speed input value is 1. Plenty of fish in the sea? What is this? A fish dating sim? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, alright, so this is going to be what I do. Move does not exist. Speed is just all of this goes away. Oh wait, we do need move. We do need move. We do need move. We just won't care about the thingy. So speed. We'll have like a private float default speed, and actually we'll serialize it. And the default speed will be 1 F. 1 F. And then, honestly, this should just work. This should just work. Rage. Should just work. It does not. It does not work. Okay. Wonderful. Yeah, great. Default speed is 1. Oh, we're not setting speed. Void awake. Speed equals default speed. That's why it didn't work. Kind of have to, oh dear, I just got an interview request from an application I apparently submitted to Planter. I don't know how to feel about that. Yeah, well. Okay. So yeah, that just works. So now we can't control our speed. No, I do. I vaguely... I know they're a powerful company that is in charge of a bunch of things. Can't remember which, but... But, look, we can't be talking about the gerbs. It's a slang on Twitch, talking about that. Can't be doing it. No. Especially when you put application behind it, then it's like, you know, that's dangerous. Okay. So that works. And now all we need is some way of slowing. Jump a space. This is south. I'm just gonna create a new action. Actually, I'm gonna copy jump. Rename it to break, because that's literally what it does. The thing is, I don't want the gamepad. I don't know what this is. XR controller. Is this like... I think that must be like VR or something. I don't know what that is. Okay. Gamepad. I want it to be right trigger, I think. I think that's what I want it to be. Okay. Since we updated that, we gotta go to the, this and add it. There we go. So now it's actually a thing. Now how the hell do we actually move action? Okay, so we need another. Break action. Also, Plantar is the fire-searing stone from Lord of the Rings that corrupts its user slowly and what turns... Look, it's a big corp. A lot of them are just scum. I'm not gonna lie. A lot of them. Big corpo. I don't want to say all of them, but it's definitely a lot of them. Boop. Okay, break action. You gotta go into player. break action. We have to actually set that to break. Definitely, most of them, especially the one Trout owns. Shh! Don't you talk about Fish Corp. Look, we call ourselves Evil Fish Corp to like throw people off because you know no one would ever who's evil would ever call themselves evil. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We would never do that. So it's like reverse psychology, and now it's ruined because I just told you. Okay, so. So let's do bool is breaking equals false. It's basically just this, sort of. If break action. Now I need to know, I don't know exactly what I'm doing here. Is breaking equals break action dot read value bool, and then if is breaking speed equals default speed times 0.5f, else speed equals default speed. I don't know. Maybe this will work. Maybe it won't. I should probably plug in the controller. Frick. Sorry. I smacked the mic. Evil. Have you ever had an idea that's so big-brained it was actually dented? Yes, because you just had that idea. So, what's it complaining about? Delta time. Huh? Hold on. What the hell? What the helly? What? How did this work? How did this run? If that was an issue, I think I know what happened, but like what, why did, okay, assets, I'm just gonna look on GitHub, because I'm entities, player movements. Did I remove it just now? I must have. Are we messing with delta time or something? I don't think we're messing with it. I don't know why we're storing it. Like, this is... You didn't need... Like, it was being stored for... I don't know. I don't know why. Sometimes it just happens. Okay. A little full stacking. God, so many conditionals. Is there no case switch? There's no... We can't use case... Like, it's not the blah, blah, blah. It is not... This is game dev. It's like... How do I explain this? We're just not... This is not a condition where we would use switch cases. It's just not. Because all we're doing here is checking if this is enabled. There's nothing to... There's no case to switch, you know? It just isn't. Not here, at least. This is just checking a Boolean. There's only two values. Anyway. This is a JavaScript 41. I mean, sort of, but really, there was just no use for a use case or a switch case there. Okay. Moving. Okay, so it almost works. What the frick's happening here? Okay, so it doesn't like this. So I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know. I'm gonna look at the Unity. What is this? Inputs system. Cool. I don't why does this exist? Why can float is greater than 0.5. I don't know why it let me do that. I mean, I guess it didn't really. It just doesn't really say. It's just a generic. So okay, there we go. Okay, that works. So we're slowing. Should work on controller too. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it. We're done. That's it. That's all. That's all I had planned today. It was good. So now you just auto move. And you can brake. I am going to add something though, so that we can set what the brake is, the braking speed is. Why are you breaking things? That's the opposite of what you're supposed to be doing. Okay. Serialize field, private, float, brake, modifier, which is in a default 0.5F, and then use this instead of this. Wait, instead of this. So technically, it could be used as, it's not supposed to work this way, but you could do something weird like, okay, so I just need to test, okay, it works. Where's player? Where is... This is player movement. Brake modifier. We could do this. And now we go super fast. You don't brake, it's a boost now. It's a boost? I don't know how we're... I think we might actually do boosting speeds in the... at the start, but that is just, whoever sets this is just gonna, I don't know how we're gonna, I think there's a way to, it should be less than 1F, otherwise it's, I mean, that should be kind of self-explanatory. But I'll put that there anyway. Is there anything else I can do to clean this up? Make sure to add the comments somewhere. I don't know why this works, it shouldn't, but it does, and if you change anything here, it breaks everything, so don't do it. That'll happen eventually, don't worry. I mean, that's technically all this stuff. All this. I don't know how it works. Actually, it's even further. It's this shit. All of the stuff that has to do with turning, I don't know. I don't know how it works. It's all a bunch of math. That's Dustin's job. He figures that shit out. Also, I wanna hold on. Move myself down a little bit. Not that it really changes anything. Okay. Well, that's it. It sounds like it would be Dustin's job. Yep. He does the hard, complicated stuff. So yeah, right now you just move, and if you hold down space or you hold down a trigger, you slow down. What just happened? Oh, dude, this happened to me earlier today. No, it didn't crash. It froze. Just give it a second. I don't know what this is, because this just only happened today, and I, like, didn't touch anything, unless... It's a feature, not a bug. It gives you time to plan your next actions. Yeah. The thing is, like, all of Unity is frozen, so I don't think it's just, you know, the game. Why does it do this? There we go. It's back. I have no clue why that happens. So, okay, there's one thing I can do. There's a resource. Where is it? I recently installed VMware, and I think that's what's fucking with it. I was trying to avoid... I mean, it still works. If I freeze, I just have to wait a few. I don't want to mess with... Because VMware has some, like, services running. But they, like, take up so little space. But that's the only thing I can think of that has changed since I last did any development. So, I think that's the issue, but I don't... The thing is, if I disable those services when I want to use the VM, there's going to be issues. So, as long as I can still develop, and as long as this doesn't happen to anyone else, it shouldn't. I guess I'll just put it in issues. You've now infected your game with VMware. Congratulations, yeah. If Unity editor uses, actually, I want to test this game. Yeah, it's all permanent. Because it happened when I went into. I don't know if I can replicate it. But it was the Unity editor itself that froze. I don't know why. Enter up over. Why is this not working? Hello? Hello? All these freaking not enough scrap to build mod. Oh wait, the module costs. Hello, Zerkath. I think the module costs. It costs 5, and it's a basic tower. Why is it? Hello? It should, you know. It should just work. Oh yeah, by the way, yesterday, or not yesterday, last time we did a stream, we were working on the turret rotation, and we had some issues, and we literally didn't get it working that day. Well, check this out. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Just one second. It's not what I wanted to. No, I just died. I just died again. I'll open the console for this segment. Here we go. Just watch over to the left here. See how well it turns and aims and stuff? So Dusty got that working. I mean, he was basically trying to get a... I mean, he basically told me how to do a lot of it anyway. Aren't you supposed to be good at the game? I wasn't trying, man. I just wasn't trying. Okay, we got 2. Oh! I don't know why this is happening. I'm gonna have to like get Dusted to just play with it a bit. See if it happens to him. This is not the game. I have no Unity editor froze. I don't understand how. I don't know what could be happening that's freezing it. Oh, hello. Oh, Maddie. I'm here. 1 second. Sorry, chat. 1 sec. Okay, let's try it. No, is not. Well, you're not showing up. I mean, at least your like Discord isn't showing up. Anyway, you are now live. So you can say hello to the chat. We have Maddie here, who is our artist. Yeah, my game is or my Unity editor is completely frozen.
Oh,
I don't know why. I
that's fascinating.
I recently have been messing with Oh yeah, also I can share my screen. 1 second. They're very quiet. Yeah, she's very quiet. Why my computer is not like I can't even share my screen right now. I'm having some tech issues right now. That's for sure.
Hold on, let me see if I can raise the volume of everything.
So I am broadcasting to 3 different. I'm broadcasting to 2 Twitch accounts and to the YouTube. So that might be part of the issue.
Do I sound better now?
Yeah, sound way better.
Okay. Yeah, generally I have it set to a little bit lower because my keyboard is very clacky and it likes to pick that up too.
Yeah. I don't know like my Unity editor just keeps freezing. It froze earlier today before stream as well. But then
Oh, I haven't even gotten into Unity yet, so maybe there's an issue.
it would be nice if you could test the most recent because I pushed a main
I
today.
just pulled and
You just
merged.
just play it around with it for a bit and like just play the game normally.
Okay.
If it freezes, then
everything-
there's some issue, but like it may take a while for it to happen. Like it's not consistent. This is completely frozen now.
Is it freezing between areas or?
It seems to be freezing with when you're opening the build menu or closing it or something, but I don't know if it's just like I think okay, so what I think actually happened is yesterday I set up VMware because I wanted to mess around with Linux. And it has like services running, but the services are so where is task manager? The services are like taking up like at a max 1 meg 13 meg or 1.3 megabytes is all it's taking.
Okay.
And it's not using any CPU, any disk, any network. Unless there's something else that I don't know about.
Well, it's probably not a
Oh.
memory thing if that's.
No,
the
now
issue.
it's running again.
Oh.
See?
Oh, weird. So it gets like a weird hitch.
I-
then.
I think
It might be some sort of like loop that it gets itself into and it has to resolve.
yeah, I just try to have 2 voices. I do not have 2 voices. This is Maddie. She is our artist for the game. She's the reason we have like it actually doesn't look like shit. It's
Well,
not all just boxes now. There's actually like, you know.
I am working on the actual diesel worm right now. So I have a head for it. I have some body segments started. None of which is textured. That's what I was going to be doing today, is kind of pulling apart and texturing it.
Oh,
I'd
yeah.
love to be able to stream that, but I have no idea how to get streaming to work properly in this kind of group.
Oh yeah.
setting.
Well, I mean, right now I am streaming, so I don't think we can't both stream. It's the
No.
same account. I mean, you could stream to your own Twitch account, but I mean, you could also stream tomorrow or another day. Like it
Suppose so,
doesn't.
but
It doesn't have to
I
be
think I might
Wednesday.
be doing the exciting stuff today.
Oh yeah. Well, you know what? I don't have like. All I really had to do was change. All I did was change the movement today. Like it just auto moves
what-
now.
We don't have to do anything like that, but what I can do is I can create a pull request if you feel like taking a look at that,
Oh yeah, I can do that for sure. Yeah.
and then you can have the kind of gray versions of everything that I've built so far.
Yeah, that'd be
Um,
wonderful.
there
Yeah.
has been a few conflicts when I
Oh.
went to merge everything. Um, so there is some stuff that was lost because I was being a little bit messy. I wasn't working entirely on the diesel worm itself. I was doing some level stuff and like, oh, somebody else was working on level stuff, and so a few things got lost. But not a big deal. Those are more just experimental things, just to see if what I was doing was correct. But I can, yeah, I can create a little pull request here and see if you want to
Yeah.
pull
Yeah.
that in.
Yeah. Sure. Just tell me the
Should
name.
mostly just be art based.
I'm going to quickly make a commit for this. New branch. Feature movement. Up. Movement changes. Movement changes. Player moves automatically, and player can now slow break. Okay. I'm not gonna publish it yet. Just let me know what the name is. Oh, if you're doing a pull request, I'll.
Yeah, it's going to be the only pull request there, I think. So
Well, we've had removed legs since August 19th, which is the remember the old legs?
yes, I mean
we
they
haven't.
were cool, but a little overly complex for what we needed.
Yeah, we haven't done anything. We haven't removed it
Okay.
or anything. It's just.
So I sent you the pull request. Hopefully it won't break anything on your end.
Okay, I'm just gonna do fetch. Feature Maddie. Initial
It should be
player.
the initial player installation.
Oh, right here.
And the comment should be updated character arts. Pull request 54.
I think I got it.
Okay.
I wish I could share my screen. Ooh, hold on. Maybe I can share my screen. No, I'm gonna try again. Okay,
Oh,
yes.
there it is.
Yep. Okay, I can share my screen. Ooh. Oh, it's like chomps. Chompy
Yeah,
chompy.
chomps.
That's cool.
And I also updated the camera, so if you go into when you go to actually go to the build camera, it'll zoom in at a different angle as well. So and the
That's
cameras
cool.
also add a bit of a pitch so that it's
That's cool. I like that. Here, it's probably better to look at it in the scene. That's so cool, though. Someone's gonna call this a train. I know someone's gonna call this a train with threads, because people have been saying it's a train game the entire time, but it's. But yeah, it's.
well, I mean, it's hard
Munch,
to argue.
munch.
It's kind of train like.
Yeah, but that animation's so good. It like bounces and oh my god, that's actually really good.
Well, I am a trained animator, so
Yeah.
there you go. You can even the treads move. That's just a simple UV animation.
Yeah.
And all the animations are built in Unity at the moment because they're very simple animations. They don't have nothing requires any kind of bones or anything like that. So
Yeah. I've only touched animations with like images or sprites, so I don't know enough about that, but no, this looks cool.
Yeah, it's definitely a start. I'm trying to make sure that this looks decent from the camera that we're getting. So like
Yeah.
everything's kind of big, chunky, but like you can see that there's a giant engine back there. But I also want to make sure that when you zoom in on that engine, it feels like it's a deck for people to walk on, kind of thing.
Mhm.
So like trying to get those kind of size ratios set up is really tough, making it feel like it's also like really big but also really small. It's tough, but like yeah, you can see like there's like weird little plates over top of that, so I want to make it feel
Yeah.
kind of junky and kind of kludged together. I don't know how to get rid of that platform for the mouth because he's eating through the platform at the moment,
Yeah.
and it's just using all the previous platforms. But that's a problem we can get rid of at a later date.
Yeah,
So yeah,
you'd either just have another platform model or whatever.
Mhm. Yeah, but at the moment it is using the basic. I can't remember what the name of the mesh that we're using, because that's the only thing that it can reference. I didn't build any other references for it.
So also, did you notice I put in the static tower thing? Because I remember last meeting you were talking about how like if you try to put in like just like a house or something, it would rotate around and stuff.
Okay. Yes.
So the
No, I
static,
didn't notice that.
yeah. So the static one is just, it's just Actually, we can do it in the debug menu. It's literally just
Okay.
weird. When you add something from the debug menu when you're in the build menu, it
Sure.
doesn't
In
update.
fact, what I can do is just replace the guns with the new models of the guns, and I can replace that static mesh with a little building
Yeah, I could, if you want, I could also
instantly.
put in a few others if you have more.
Well, I don't have more because this is like proof of concept,
Mhm.
right? So
Okay, so yeah, yeah.
yeah, so I'm just kind of like my general rule of thumb is just put stuff in, get stuff looking interesting,
Mhm.
and then move on, right? And then come back to it once you have like a better idea of how to fix it or change it or update it, because you just want to kind of see the artwork as it comes in.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, it's, I mean, programming, we usually just start out with something basic and then, like,
Yeah,
once that
it
works,
should be the same way.
yeah, so it's probably the same.
Yeah,
Or we, like,
I just find
only
that's
work with, like, at the start, we only had this turret, for example. I mean, we
I,
are,
I find with working with like a lot of artists, they feel very intimidated by showing off work that isn't finished 100%. It's like, oh, this doesn't represent what I can do, and you can't see it until it's done. And it's
Mhm.
like, no, put it in early, see if it works, see if it's gonna do what you expect it to do. Because if you bring something across the finish line and it doesn't work, then you
yeah.
have to do it again, and then you have to bring that across the finish line, and it just drags the project down. So getting stuff in early and seeing what people think and seeing if it works, because like I kind of like the look of it, but maybe it's the wrong thing for the project. So it's one of those things where you kind of like you have to have a feel for it. Oh, you
Yes,
ate your own tail.
Yeah, we got that working.
That's kind of fun.
Yeah, and if we do, also still leaves the other ones.
Okay, can you eat those back up then?
Yep. Although it deals damage to you as well, so that's what happened. I just murdered myself. But the worm is still, that's not supposed to happen.
Hey, follow the fun.
We
Maybe it's a good bug.
Yeah, sorry, I kind of zoned out there for a second. I'm mesmerized by the model. It's so good.
Cool. Yeah. So what I could do is just quickly go in, apply some of those models to the stand-ins, and then you can actually have those set up.
Yeah, yeah. I want to do that. I'm just gonna mess around with this a bit to see if that bug happens again, where the editor freezes.
Absolutely.
Actually, I'm gonna just play it normally, because if this works fine and the editor doesn't freeze, there's definitely something wrong with our because I had a merge, or I had a pull request from a while ago for the area loading. And I noticed it was approved, and I don't know why I didn't like merge it. So I merged that, and that's the other thing that's different. So maybe there was some issue with that I didn't consider or didn't see before.
Right.
Oh, no, it happened again. Okay, this is definitely me. This is definitely me. Okay, that's good to know, because I was really worried. I'd rather it be a me issue and not a, you know. I'm just gonna murder these VMware. I gotta write them down or something, because I want to know what these are if I need to enable them again. VMware Authorization Service. 3-qubit. I'm literally just writing the names. I don't care. No, it's literally the same thing.
This has an interesting breakdown to it.
VMware NAT Service. It's so dumb because, like, it's not doing anything. DHCP service. Okay. You want to see me murder this? Look, these are the only VMware things that are running right now. And look at how little. They're not even at this point. They're not even using a megabyte. I'm just gonna end them. Goodbye. Nope. And it just started up again. I don't think Nat. I think Nat just might keep trying again and again. I don't know. Nope. Okay. That's better animated than Trout himself. Yeah, I will. Yes. Oh, man. It still is frozen. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's... So the other thing that's happening is I'm streaming to 3 different channels right now. 2 are on Twitch and 1 is YouTube. So I'm like... But I wasn't doing that this morning.
You can stop streaming to me. Like, I don't necessarily need to watch your stream, because I can have just a delayed version on the Twitch live stream.
It's not actually an issue though.
Okay.
I was thinking that, but I had this issue this morning before I even started streaming. So I do think it might be VMware, because it's the only thing that's different from the week. Well, I deleted those services, so we'll see if I'll just try this again. I'm playing the game. I'm just playing the game. Ooh, look at me playing the game. Don't have enough potatoes. we gotta get some icons as well at some point. I mean, obviously there's a lot of things we need to get, but
sure.
The potatoes are okay for now. You know, there's nothing wrong with a potato.
If the icons are centralized somewhere, I can always go in and just lay in a bunch of icons for whatever we need, and then update them to the art style once we figure out what that is.
Okay, so we had an issue with this. Oh, no, that's working. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, no, it froze again. Let's look at Task Manager again.
That's okay-ish.
VMware. No, they're not running. I don't know what's going on then. Maybe I should Google this. Third-party plugin, external software, other like. Don't know why this is happening. Yeah, the I would show you where the icon is if the editor wasn't frozen. Oh, there we go. Are you saying I sound tired, Tanya? I mean, I am kind of tired. I think I put it... I actually have no clue where I put it. Let's go into build menu. Oh, okay. I remember now. It's set from the currency manifest. Dieselworm oh, it's just in something called devs stuff. Yeah, this folder. Honestly, it doesn't really matter where you place them. All you have to do is go to the currency manifest and change it. But anyway, not important right now. Hey, are you still there?
Me?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I was just kind of plopping in a little house, and I plopped in the guns, and everything looks like it's kind of working.
You can also share your screen if you want, and then I can show that on the stream.
Share the screen of the screen. What I can do is just create another little pull request, because I think that might be the last pull request of the stream for me, because I got other stuff that I need to do, and then you can actually see a static building and the new gun.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
Are you just gonna update the branch you had before?
It's a messy way of doing it, but yes.
Yeah. I mean, it'll be the easiest way because you already have the changes, like the oh, brain work brain, that you have the changes, the segments. That's I'm also not feeling 100% today. I don't know why. I've like been slightly sick. I was almost gonna cancel, to be honest, but
oh yeah. Well, I hope you're gonna feel better.
you should.
I think it's you got the COVIDs.
Well,
you got
see,
the vids.
my parents have been sick, so I think I just might be catching what they have.
Oh yeah.
Which I'm not too excited about. I really don't like getting sick. I mean, I don't think anyone does, but
it does depend on whether or not you like going to your job or not.
Yeah, well, and I like doing this,
I'm
so
sick. You can stay home.
Yeah, I really like doing this game dev stuff, so I don't want to be sick because I want to do more of this. I want to pump this out as fast as we can. I wonder if the editor will just freeze randomly, like while I'm not playing. Because it seems to only happen when we're playing, but there's no... It could actually still be an issue. Oh, hello, Dr. Broctopus. Oh, you can't hear. No wave. Get alerts a wave. I have cookies. So me and Dustin went. We got some poutine at a place. I can't remember the name of it. I always forget stuff like that. But they also have like a bakery. And so I had to get some cookies. I got chocolate chip and molasses. I'm going to try one. I did not say no. Ram, I did not say that Dr. Broctopus is dumb. No, no, no. Sorry. Nice. This is how Twitch chat is. They're very silly.
Oh, you didn't merge the pull request, did you?
No, I didn't. I just...
Okay, so you're just grabbing from the...
Yeah, I just...
Okay, that's kind of a messy way of doing it. But, yes.
Well, I always, before I, like, approve a pull request, I always, like, load it. I actually go to the branch locally just to, like, do a little bit of testing.
Okay.
Just to make sure it, like, runs, you know?
Okay, so I updated that branch.
Yeah. We got it. We got the model. Ooh. Look at that. We have a gun. Here, I'll separate this again so we can see it better.
Yeah, there's no animations on that, but I'm feeling that each one of these guys might have to have its own little animator to do things. So we might want to consider how many different animators might need to be running at the same time. That's probably more of a John question.
You add in? Oh, you just have one, yeah.
But yeah. Also, if you debug in the static one.
Oh yeah.
It's a house. It's looking pretty big and clunky under the circumstances, because it's all just primitive shapes at the moment.
Oops, I keep going to the wrong one. Oh yeah, it is a house. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
We have a house.
It's very shanty kind of thing, so it's gonna be kind of kludged together out of like all sorts of different parts. Is it floating on top of that thing?
No, it's
embedded.
Yeah, well, it's still attached technically. It looks like it could rotate though, but it's...
Yes. Well, I mean, you'll never see it at that angle, so it's never gonna show up. But like, these are things that we have to kind of like we'll figure out and measure, and then I'll make sure that there's like kind of specific like attachment points that are like that's where all the artwork will nest into, so that everything is consistent.
I'm trying to get these cookies open without ripping the bag too much. I can't. Bag. Oh god. Now I ripped the bag too much.
It's just not your day.
It is not my day today. Oh my god, they're like nice and soft. It was a good buy. Alright, whenever this unfreezes, did you like is the like turret part separate from the base?
It could absolutely be. Everything's just kind of floating at the moment. Nothing's kind of merged together. And again, like you can see, the only detail is really in the kind of like geary area
Yeah.
of it. So none of it's final art. All of it can change easily.
But we do have it set up so there's like
Yeah, I did notice that.
Yeah.
So I'll have to kind of experiment and see what that's gonna look like.
yeah, so I obviously all of this is under the yaw, the aim yaw I think it's called, and then you would just put like the actual cannons and stuff under the aim pitch. I was gonna show you, but I'm gonna do anything right now. All I can do is eat my cookie. No sponge man. Have you been here this entire time? No, I think you just showed up. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do much more streaming with this. I have to fix this somehow. 'Cause this is just. I can write code. I just can't test anything. I can't run the freaking game.
And you think that's only on your machine?
I think so. I should time how long it takes next time. I think that's what I'll do. I'll time it and then oh, you're just here for 10 minutes? Got some testing at school? Oh. Sponge Man here. The name is just like Sponge Man here, Sponge Man here. No. He's doing culinary school, something like that. So, there's pictures in my Discord. So yeah, we're just waiting for this to respond because I saw movement. Okay, we're good. Okay. Because I think if this is like a me issue, I might have to like look at like actual like Windows logs and stuff, and I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to that. I'm a programmer, not a Windows person.
Fair enough.
And I'm actually trying to be less of a Windows person, which is why I have VMware, which I think caused this entire issue. Okay. I'm going to start. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I didn't do this right because it was loading stuff. Okay. Let's see how long it takes for it to freeze. Unless I think you can figure out the like pitch and yaw things.
Yeah. So I'm just looking at it right now. If I were to move the pivot points of that, is that just its rotational point? Like if because there's the aim yaw. So if I were to move that, does it break anything?
Okay, actually, I have to look at it.
Because the aim yaw, I'm assuming, is what we're going to pivot on the y-axis. And then the aim pitch, that's going to pivot on the x-axis. But if I were to like translate that to like where I want it to rotate, would it rotate on that axis from that?
Yeah. So wherever the aim pitch is, it rotates based on. Oops, not that one. It's
okay. So I can just move that around, and that's fine. Okay,
yeah,
perfect.
wherever that is 0 to is where everything else
That seems
Rotate-
really cool.
rotate
So I
to,
can
yeah.
actually build these things accordingly then.
Yeah, I think I can. Oh, it's all one model. Okay, never mind. What is this? Player towers? Oh. Anyway. Yeah, so you could just. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. No way to do. Okay, I'm gonna try to test this again. Because if it's happening after a certain amount of time, it maybe might be something in the game. I'm not completely convinced it's only me, but like I'm like 80% sure it's me. Maybe 75%. I'm not 100% confident, but yeah, because if it is me, I think I'd actually, yeah, like I'd have to go into the Windows stuff. Like I said, I don't really want to do that. Got 2 turrets now, and it's not happening on an area load because an area load is where it would happen. I would logically think, oh, I died. Oh my god. All right, let's try that again. Did I fix the crash? No, I'm trying to investigate it right now. I'm just gonna time it right now and see how long it takes before it crashes. In case that's has something to do with it. Maybe there's like something running. I still think it's VMware, maybe. Doesn't have anything to do with the exploit, does it? I don't know why it would suddenly have issues, though. No, it's just it freezes, but it freezes for like a very long time, like a few minutes. And then it's just fine. It is very strange. And it doesn't seem to have any rhyme or reason to it, at least now. I'm just going to stay in this area for now. Also, Zerketh, I don't know if you were here, but we have our artist, Maddie. She's with us right now.
Hello.
Just for some reason Fugi's not working. I don't know if it might be Fugi itself that's not working. Like sometimes it has issues. So
It's my first time using it, so it could be my fault.
yeah, I don't know. And I don't really want to debug it because it could accidentally show your Discord profile picture. So
Yeah,
I don't
man.
want that to happen. So
All these thugs will dox me.
yeah, they'll track you down. It'll be over. Oh, okay, froze at like 150. So, Dusted, it's like my entire Unity freezes. It's not the game. And I think it my what I think it might be is something to do with VMware because that's the only thing I've really changed on my PC since last. But also I don't know if we played it for this long. I'm just gonna record this. I'm gonna keep testing this for a bit. 150. I would look at the profile if like I could, but I can't. Is my CPU load up? No. Is that like nothing's happening? Like CPU is fine. Unity fully freeze if we have a big loop. It's all single threaded. I'm guessing it's object spawning if we have a random in area or anything. Show logic. What do you mean show logic? Where do I right click? Change the graph to logic process. Okay, there's some that are. There's a couple of them. I can't even. That ain't it, probably. It would be like 100, yeah. Can I do that? But yeah, I know VMware does some weird stuff to get working, so that's why I think it might be VMware, but the defining thing is if we test it, if you guys also test it and have issues. Because if you also have issues, then yeah, it's the code. If you don't, then it's definitely my PC, and there's something wrong with it. When was the last time we gave your PC a reboot? I rebooted every night. Or I turn it off every night, booted every morning.
And also, Windows had an update that last night that restarted my computer secretly. It loves to secretly restart your computer.
Maybe it's Windows.
Maybe it's Windows. I wouldn't doubt it. And I don't see how that's like a really good practice for Microsoft to basically restart your computer and pretend that it didn't restart it, because like it'll open up previous programs that you had running, but not everything, because it doesn't reopen like Unity or anything like that. So anything that you've have left and unsaved, it's just like, bye. Hope you saved before we snuckily restarted your computer.
I could show you what Unity is taking. It's taking like that seems like a normal amount of memory. But yeah, Microsoft's screwing up lately. They just keep doing. This is why, like I said, this is why I'm starting to look into like doing VMware and like Linux and stuff, because I probably might not. Yeah, that's okay. Dusted. Just when you get the chance, just run it for like, just play the game for like a few minutes. See if it happens. This one took 1 minute and 50 seconds. So yeah, it may either be Windows or it may be VMware. I don't know. I have all the VMware stuff turned off though. Like, there's nothing. Yeah, but it's weird that it's only Unity. Zerkath, wouldn't that like affect the entire PC? Oh, it's back.
Makes for a really fun and very
reloading domain. What is going on? Hello? Yeah, I'm gonna reboot it, but I don't. I have rebooted it today as well. Like, this happened off stream this morning. I'll give it one more run, see if we can get it. I'll test how long it takes. Anyway, Dusty, you go do whatever your thing is. Don't be held up. We can always fix this later. We'll work on it later. Really just need to confirm whether it is happening on your guys' PCs anyway, right now. The timer stuff? Tick system? I don't think we have... Joe's analysis profiler. Yeah, you head on out. I don't think I'm gonna stream much longer anyway because I did what I had to do today. And if I'm gonna keep having this issue standalone. Oh. I see. Okay, I have it. Oh, now if I... Here, I'm gonna put it like this. Yeah, now get the heck out of here. Wait, the profiler's not even... Hello? Have to do... I don't know. I think this is something... Oh, here we go. The thing is, me looking at the profile isn't going to be that great anyway, because I barely know the profiler. Oops. Okay. Oh, okay, it froze. It took less time. Nothing... Is this... Oh no, the profiles are not frozen, okay. No, I didn't freeze the standalone, luckily. I don't think anything... I don't think this is a Unity issue. I think this is... I think it has something to do with... I think VMware messed something up. Because nothing looks weird or out of place here. But I also don't have a great idea of what I'm looking at, so... I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, it was cool to do. I'm trying to mess around with Linux. Right now, I'm just messing with Linux Mint because I hear it's Windows friendly and pretty not as bloated as like Ubuntu. But I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I would be open for some ideas, because yeah, I have no clue. I used to mess around with Linux when I was in college about 10 years ago or something like that. I think maybe 9 years. How would VMware affect the Unity? I don't completely know, but VMware does a lot of weird things with like the CPU, for example, like virtualization and all that kind of stuff. Like it needs extra permissions than most applications. I guess the only thing is I did disable the VMware stuff. Maybe if I did a restart of my computer it might work, but I mean, you know, that's not too great. Anyway, I think that might be it. I didn't expect to have a long stream today anyway. Asset loading messages. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of are we loading assets? Timeouts. Don't think we have any timeouts. Systems. We do have a stepped system manager, which manages. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh my god! Would you just hello? Just there we go. It like helps manage what tasks to do and stuff like that, but it's been in here for a while, though at the same time I'll try disabling tick system, see if that has anything to do with it whenever I can. Oh my god. Right now we're not even using the tick system, so low CPU and just random freeze makes me think some weird IO call to somewhere else. Yeah, and I think VMware would do that. You know, task manager, you have high. No, like everything is. I mean, kind of have some high memory, but disks are like barely being used. Memory is the only thing that has a higher amount, but that kind of makes sense. But it's not like I have 11 gigs available, so obviously Ethernet is pretty high right now because I'm streaming to 3 different things. But it's not a memory issue, it's not a disk issue, it's not a CPU. I mean, I do think it's VMware. I think it's VMware. I might just have to like uninstall VMware or something. But all of that I can't do on stream anyway. So is VMware doing a lot of processing? I mean, right now it's doing nothing. There's nothing running that. There's nothing running that has VMware right now. So, but VMware does a lot of. I mean, it's a virtualization, like it, you know, virtual machines. So it virtualizes an entire computer. So it does a lot. but I'm not running it. Now this is programming. Yeah, just staring at a screen. Wonderful. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I didn't have much to do today. And I did get the movement changes working. The spawning groups, I don't really want to touch that right now with this issue because I mean, this is a major issue. But Maddie, have you had any issues?
None.
None.
None issues. I also haven't played it all that much to see if prolonged playing it does anything, but
6.2
seems to be okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and Dusted also doesn't have any issues, so yeah, we are doing 6.2 beta. So, but they're using the same, like they're also using it. So, like we all have to use the same editor version.
Oh, I didn't change my editor version.
I mean, I haven't changed it since.
Okay.
Like we haven't done any.
We still got the exploits going.
Yeah. See, it still has the red triangle. Yeah, I might have issues on 6.2 beta when they don't. I mean, that might be an option. Maybe there's some weird thing with VMware and 6.2 beta, and they're interfering, and there's a fix or something. I don't know. I mean, we have to upgrade this anyway. No, I think it's VMware. I think VMware did some weird changes to something, and maybe it has like a lock on some type of resource. Why beta? I don't know. You ask Dusted. He's the one that set this up. Shouldn't 600.2. I can't do any upgrading until we, because if I upgrade, everyone else has to upgrade. Because the entire project upgrades.
Yeah, we can't be working on two different versions.
Yeah.
That's fine. As soon as we upgrade, then we upgrade.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
But we have to like coordinate that basically. To do Dusted.
How do we do that between the three of us?
I mean, I think it would just be one person upgrades and then does a push or a merge request, whatever, and then we all just upgrade and then we're done. But I don't know. Dusted is what's the version at the top? What do you mean? Yep, that's the version we're using. Actually, you know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna try messing with Trout Game a bit. Maybe that. So if I have the same issues with Trout Game, then there's definitely something wrong with like my computer. Because Trout Game isn't even on the same version. Is this ever gonna end? See, the freezes are just so annoying. It takes so long. Okay, I'll mess around on Trout Game. If Trout Game doesn't have the same issues, then I think I'm just done. Yeah. I mean, the thing is, we don't have any release. Like our game isn't released or anything, so it's not affecting anyone but us. So I did update Trout Game recently though because of that security issue. I even put a post on my Discord. Okay. Thank you. Oh, look at this. It was actually something. CPU exceeded your target frame time. Yeah, no duh. It just, of course it exceeded it. It froze for friggin'... Oh god, no, I don't want to start it again. I'm gonna stop it. Oh my god. Stop. Okay, I'm going to test Trocame, and then if we still have issues, probably is my PC. I get to show off Trocame a little bit too. Woo, woo. Some
I've never
selfless
seen
plugging.
Trout Game.
It's a very stupid, simple game. It's just like
I'll be the judge of that.
it's like have you ever played Only Up or like Getting Over It or anything like that?
No, but I know of them.
So they're like let's just get to the first scene. Actually, I think I have the music muted in game, so I don't think I have to worry about my music. So you're a fish and you kind of like rotate yourself to orient and then you go forward. It's like rocket controls, like you're a spaceship.
Oh, I know those potatoes.
Yeah, you do, maybe. And you go around, you collect potatoes,
As you do.
and there's slappy noises and stuff. Gaming. This is gaming at its finest, okay? And you go to the next area. Because
But you don't have enough potatoes.
the potatoes don't matter yet. And then there's these spikes. There's spikes. You touch them, and you're dead.
Oh my god. Your fish was being held together by a thread. Oh, and it's persistent. That's fun.
I actually recently added that because it said I should. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do that. So yeah, and then it starts to be you try to avoid things, right? I'm actually really good at it. I'm just gonna say, I'm really good at my own game.
Kind of reminds me of like the old Ninja Turtles game, but they had electric walls everywhere, and it was impossible.
Yeah. But yeah, so the game is supposed to be like cruel, basically. It's supposed to be hard to kind of control and hard to play. And punishing. It's not supposed to be a little casual game.
Right. It's not supposed to be fun.
No, this is
supposed
not
to be-
fun. It's supposed to be silly and aggravating. It doesn't seem to be crashing yet. Okay, and then the next mechanic. What I've been doing is like every level there's a new mechanic added.
Okay.
So the first level there's nothing. The second level the spikes. This is the third level, so there's keys and locked doors now.
Oh, I see. Turns into Doom.
Yeah. And then I like. At least I started when I started making the game. That was the concept that every level would add a new mechanic, but keep all the mechanics from before.
And just layer on extra complexity every time.
Yeah, but it gets to a point where I'm kind of just repeating, and it almost I don't know how I feel about the later levels.
Well, part of it is like when you have a new mechanic, and you have to like reintroduce it into the next level. Are there more interesting and kind of like meaningful ways to set those mechanics up, or interesting ways of doing it?
Yeah, and
Because like a lock and key door kind of thing, you can do so much with it if you're kind of clever.
There is some in the later levels, some clever things I kind of do. I'm just gonna literally run my way there. So this level adds
Oh,
spinning
wow.
things.
Okay.
So first of all, there's potatoes, and then there's this spinny thing.
Mhm.
You time it right. Grab a key.
Okay.
Grab these
This is
potatoes.
interesting.
Easy potatoes to grab. You just sit there. Yeah, if you've noticed, I have a weird obsession with trouts and potatoes. You may have noticed.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah. Wait, no, I don't eat the trouts. I don't do that. No.
No?
Have you seen my avatar on Twitch?
It's a trout eat trout world, man.
Yeah. I actually like in Twitch chats and stuff. I get like angry at people for saying they eat trouts and stuff like that. I like roleplay a fish on the internet. That's what happens.
I see.
It's very stupid. So the next thing is added in this level. You should see a spinner soon. Yeah. Oh, there's a spinner. Yeah, there's a spinner. Oh Jesus. I always forget how big they are. So this is all physics-based as well. Like the fish moving is physics-based,
Okay.
which is where this comes into play. It's a boulder.
Oh. So, yeah, I didn't even recognize that you were moving up in the world because it kind of felt like a top-down game the entire time.
Yeah.
But now there's gravity involved.
There's, I mean, I could add some shading and stuff to kind of make it, but I don't.
I mean, you could.
I'm
but,
not that
like,
good.
I think maybe adding a level earlier on with a bit of a gravity mechanic,
Yeah,
just
maybe.
just to kind of like even just stuff kind of like floating down from like as an effect from the surface, right?
One thing I've been wanting to add is like seaweed and stuff like that. Just like like just stuff to like because the levels are pretty plain. But I'm not
Mhm.
I'm not good with that. So and
Actually,
when I
yeah,
look
even
up
even
stuff,
stuff like plants growing on the ground
yeah,
to
that's
differentiate the ground from the roof, I think would be enough to kind of like solidify in the player's mind that it's not a top-down game, that you're actually going.
sorry. I told you I'm
Just add bubbles, yeah, absolutely. Just add bubbles.
yeah, bubbles were another thing I was thinking of. There's a lot of effects and stuff. I mean, like a lot of this I kind of just threw together and just like. Initially, this was just me messing around. I didn't have any plans, and then I started having plans after I made something. Okay, this is a tricky spot.
Oh, jeez, wow. What's your hitbox like?
It's
Is it, like, exactly the size of the trout?
mostly like you can see there's part of it. And
Okay,
then,
yeah.
the thing is the tail isn't, so you give it a little bit of leeway with the tail, but
Yeah, I find when it comes to games like this, or like, shoot 'em ups and things like that, you definitely want to keep your hitbox way smaller than what you think it is.
yeah, it's
Makes it feel
slightly.
just that little bit friendlier.
It's also I wanted to like actually feel like you're actually touching things, and if the hitbox is too big, then oh yeah, so that stone, I didn't even mention it. The stone. There's a pressure plate down there. I guess I can go back. Here's a pressure plate. Is this a bonus minigame? No, this is my trout game because I can't do anything on but yeah, there's a pressure plate here.
Oh, I see.
It's
yes.
actually
I didn't know
a
what
s-
you're pushing that to. And
Yeah,
I
it's a
just
s-
kind of gave up on it.
It's a spring. Yeah, I automatically like go through these levels, so I don't even think about it. But it's like a spring, and then once it goes down, it hits a trigger, and then that, as long as it's touching the trigger, like if this was to move again, it would click off.
Oh, I see. Yeah, so it's always checking to see whether or not it's
Yeah,
being
as long as
progressed.
As long as it's colliding. Well, it's on like collision enter and exit, so it's not checking every time, but
Okay. Oh, I see.
this is actually it's much easier to play with controller because you have a lot more I mean, I have my controller here right now. I can just do that. Because you have a little bit better control. I think this one level is, you'll hear it. If you can hear. There's bouncy
Oh, yeah.
balls. I don't know what this log is.
That's an oddly pleasing sound effect, actually.
Yeah, and the
Very
thing is,
ASMR.
when you touch the balls, they like. Oh,
Yeah,
that sounds
okay.
really. when you touch them, like you bounce a lot. Like they really impact you. Let's see if I can get it to happen. Like, so they really smack you around. So if you're trying to go through like very carefully, it can like launch you into a spike, for example, right? So that's the mechanic of this one. And then there's still, oh god. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
You should make it a bonus minigame where you have to swim through the engine to unclog it. Yeah,
Oh, and here we go.
another boulder. There's another pressure plate down there as well. This one doesn't always, like the other one kind of just rolls into place. I think this one slightly doesn't roll into place. Also, the backgrounds. The background. Oh yeah, the background kind of gives you a hint as to where these spikes are.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
You
yeah.
have them.
Yeah, so it kind of helps you with navigating, but you have to pick up on that yourself. I don't tell you anywhere.
Oh, oh, oh.
No!
Well, that's brilliant.
And that's exactly... Okay, I'm just going to go to the next level. Oh yeah, there's music also, but I have it muted when I do dev stuff. I think it's level 5. Why did it... Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Level 5 was the level we were on. It's level 6. Level 6 is the next level. No. This level we were on. Level 7 is the level I wanted to show. This one... Okay, so this one is this one I do some weird things with this. You can literally get to the other side of it basically. Which you may be asking, why can you do that? Why can you get to the other side? What's the point in a key? Right? Like why would I bother? I can just get to the other
Yeah,
side.
why would you bother?
Why would I bother? And then you keep
That
going.
doesn't make any sense.
Keep going. I think the key's up here. I'm just gonna grab it. I don't need it, but I'm gonna grab it just because I want to be.
Oh,
As you can tell, gets a bit.
such a fragile fish.
Yeah. And yeah, you start at the beginning of the level, it resets everything. So, except for the fish.
Oh, I see. Okay.
The fish case.
So the fish death is persistent. Everything else resets.
Well, yeah, the Gibbs specifically, and it counts. That's where the dead fish icon came from.
Oh, I didn't even see that icon.
Yeah, it shows you how many deaths you have. There's a timer up there too. Okay. The thing is, it's also
Oh.
affected by gravity, but it's like not. See, these things aren't. They don't use physics, so they act a bit weird. I don't know how this is gonna work. Okay, we're good. You gotta get in an angle. Oh. Okay, we're good. So there is one other feature. which I'm going to use right now, which does help you a bit. If you go back to the very start, it will save your progress. So now I don't have to open that door anymore. I just have to go back to the level. Whoop. So yeah, let's say I didn't open that door, and I'm just like, okay, there's no point in this door because like I can just go around. You come over here, you wander about. I think there's more balls that are gonna try and murder me
Murder balls.
or something, or maybe not. No, actually they don't here. You're gonna be like, huh? Okay, this door's locked. Okay, I know how to deal with that. I know what I'm doing, but you would have to explore.
There's no lock icon on that door.
Yeah. Oh, but what is this? Is it blocked? But it doesn't look like the rest of the terrain. That is interesting. What is going on? What's happening? I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. So you swim on back. You're like, maybe there's something up here. Oh no, it's the same thing. What the heck is going on? But then you notice there's a path over here, and you're like, oh, okay. Well, I'll try this. Might as well give it a try, you know. You like the slapping noise.
Yeah. Well,
Dustin,
wet and crunchy at the same time.
Dustin said he was disturbed by them. Well, what is this in the right corner, huh? Interesting. Oh my god, is that a mine? Now, if you grab it here, you move around.
Oh, I see. But you don't want to touch any other part of it.
No, you don't, because I think you should already know what happens. It should be pretty obvious.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't know. I've noticed that players will
I mean, they've
generally not understand lots of things that you'd think are very simple.
But that's I'll show you what happens after I do this, so I don't lose progress.
Okay.
Okay. It did it, and the wall's gone, and even has little gibs and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna quickly save my progress. The bomb respawns.
Oh. Well, that's unclear.
Yeah. There's a lot of unclear things about this. I'm not saying I'm the best designer, okay? I'm not even really a designer. I pulled this out of my ass. Okay. Go back. Ned, I'm gonna show you what happens. You wanna see what happens, Ned? Nedga? You friggin' Ned? This is what happens. This is what happens. I ain't going straight at it. It just happens. Boom.
Boom.
You did this, Ned. Don't mind whatever that was. I think what happened is these things set it off again. That is a bug, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really change. You can still work. Play the game. All right. Actually, this might be even harder to get out now that the gibs are there. I didn't think about that. You can get rid of the gibs if you go back to the other area as well. So it's only persistent in, like... Ooh. Go. Go away, buddy. Yeah, it just explodes when it touches anything. There's no...
This is called emergent gameplay.
Yeah.
It's a feature, not a bug. Oh, I am getting sweaty palms watching you.
I told you I'm good at it. I've had a lot of practice. I've had a lot of practice. It's
now, does this work on
fine.
wooden doors as well?
I'm gonna snooze these ads. No, it does not work on wooden doors. It's not a feature. I mean, if it worked on wooden doors, like you'd easily be able to get through this level.
Mhm.
Like you just throw it there.
Right.
I never thought about that because logically you would think it would actually work on a wooden door, right? But well, I guess that's up to the player to discover. There's a lot of discovery in this game.
Mhm.
I think if you press F, you just like let go of it lightly. But you press space, you throw it. Oh, I was very close to dying there. Okay, yeah,
But watch out for the rock pieces.
rock pieces don't really do anything. They're harmless. It's just rocks.
Oh.
Get over here, ball. No, don't go that way. Don't go that way.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh, no.
Gee whiz.
Okay, we're good. Skiing rock, so yeah. So this was a point where I like, this level was like a major point where I like stopped working on the game a lot.
You frustrated yourself?
I was just demotivated and I didn't know what I wanted to do.
Okay.
I've never been frustrated in this game, honestly. I don't find it that hard because, okay, so these controls are actually really intuitive to me because I played a lot of Kerbal Space Program.
Okay.
So I know how, like, I know how to move.
So
Like this.
is the movement like you press left and right to rotate and then forward to move?
Yeah.
Or up to move forward? Okay.
It's very intentionally. It's like tank controls. That's another way
Yeah.
people put it, but with physics. So you actually like glide. I think this level is So this introduces another. This is like a safe zone almost. Like is not. This level doesn't have anything that really tries to murder you or anything. You can collect some potatoes. Like, I don't think there's any way to die in this level. But it does introduce the next mechanic, which is... Woo.
Very Echo the Dolphin.
Yeah. Now you're in this level and you're like, oh, look at this place. Oh, there's a locked door. Oh, I wonder where the key is. And since I know the game, I know exactly where the key is. Well, since I made the game, I know exactly where everything is, but... So you come over here and you're like, oh, look, there's land up there. What the heck? What the hecky? And you just get up here and you're like, all right, this is how you move on land.
Okay, you have to create like a wheel motion.
Yeah.
There we go.
This is how you move on land, yeah.
Okay, that's brilliant. There we go.
All right, we're back in. So it's also kind of like I reset. Like at this point, I'm not doing the same adding mechanics every single level. Well, I am, but I'm not using the same ones all the time from the other levels. I like selectively use some. So like I think keys are used.
That's a good way of handling it. Like it's such a weird constraint to force yourself as someone who's designing a game to use every element every time.
Yeah, and that was an issue I was having, and that's one reason why I stopped developing. Also, what's this?
Yeah.
What is this shit over
It's
here?
fake out, secret wall.
Oh, I forget which way to go. Oh no, it's this way. You can. Oh yeah, you can die here. You can die.
Yeah.
There's
You gain some stank on there, and then yeah.
I don't want to do that though because I have potatoes. Yeah. There's actually another secret one, like, or at the very start of the game, but I don't say. You can so technically you can die in every level. I need 30 potatoes. Well, I don't have 30 potatoes. Also, I think that issue is not happening now. I'm just saying. So it could be Unity version, or it could be our game. But if it was the game, you guys would have the issue as well. And I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not having the issues, so. And I do have the most recent pull.
Yeah. So I need 30 potatoes. I need just grab 4 of them or 3 of them. No.
But it says only you have 2. Now you have. Oh, I see. 3 of 25 in this area, so you have 28.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't have like I think I just had like a default count at the start, and some people were like, I don't know what the potatoes like. I don't know how to like. They wanted to know if they could like 100% the level, right?
Ah, yes.
Yeah. This. Oh. Okay. It's
Damn,
got me
some yellow.
sweating. It's got me sweating, man. I forgot about how crazy this game can be. Okay, assassination attempt. Yeah, I dodged a bullet there. Well, I dodged a ball, but, you know. So yeah, this is like Donkey Kong 64, or like, Banjo-Kazooie. You have to get a certain amount to get to the next area.
Right.
Now, we add some more interesting behavior here. Sort of. Do you want? I think actually I don't add anything in this level. And you just have to, like... I think this one forces you to do this. The other one doesn't force you to actually go on land. But, like, for example... I'll just quickly kill myself. I mean, in Minecraft. Okay. I did that in Minecraft, not in real life. Oh, ad breaks. I was trying to dismiss them. That's also another reason it's good that you can watch my screen share rather than you don't have to deal with ads. Unlike all the other clips.
Because I have Twitch open up.
Well, it said
I'm
they
not getting
just
any ads.
started. I don't know. So this one is like, oh, there's a boulder here, but I can't get through. But there is a locked door, and there's a key over there. I thought that was kind of interesting to put the key right by the door.
Oh, absolutely. Because now you know exactly what to do. You just have to get to the other side so you can open the door and get the boulder through because you need the boulder.
Yeah, for something. You don't know what you need the boulder
For something,
well,
yeah.
Actually, you kind of... There's only one use for the boulder.
You can
but
intuit.
You don't know where to put the boulder. Also do some fancy stuff like, whee, get another potato.
How did you feel when you discovered you could do that?
What?
The fish on land thing? Because I'm sure that wasn't initially what you were expecting.
Yeah, I mean, there was no land at all, and then I kind of just thought of doing it at one point, and I was like, I have no clue how to do it. It was more about me figuring out how to have it work. And it gets a bit more crazy later on. The other interesting thing here is it's kind of hard to get to the actual boulder. So you might actually want to go around if you're not a sick pro like me, you know? Yeah, you know, I'm just saying. If there was a trout game league, I would definitely be, I'd be out there. You know, I'm just saying. I'd be on the scoreboard. Maybe we can watch this one actually click the thing. Oh no, too late. Yeah, and then that opens the store. And then you go through. Now this level.
Speedrun.
I've been playing this 27 minutes. I just realized. Oh my god.
I've been watching for 27 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's compelling then. Like, you as a designer not being like, oh, this is so boring. I don't want to watch. So, yeah.
There's so many interesting elements to this.
So this is, woo.
Oh, I see.
Spit you up. Oh, be kind of dangerous though, because I just need to kind of get over it. Okay. yeah, if you want, you can get back using this, because otherwise you can't really, right? Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Whoa.
That's a really precarious position because like you can't go left or right, right? You have to rotate. Yeah, if you do this, you die. Naturally, you die. That's what happens.
Right.
Like the further. Notice how I went higher because I went in lower. So I went
Right, 'cause
through
the
more of
physics
it.
is
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's as long as you're in there, it keeps adding momentum. Come on, you can do it. You can do
Like,
it.
I know it's not in the spirit of the game, but I'm always in the game design camp of like, if you're going to introduce a new mechanics like this, where it's going to like really take over,
Mhm.
You do it in kind of a safe area to kind of get used to kind of the feel of it, and then you put it into a dangerous area to kind of like test the player. Because
That is a good point.
it's always good to have like a safe area where you can just kind of go back to it over and over and over again and kind of test it out and get the feel for it, and then give them the dangerous scenario where they have to complete something as a test.
Yeah. I think for this game it should be easy to get to the thing to test it, but after that you're on your own.
Yes. Like I that's what I was saying. Like I don't know if it's in the spirit of the game, because this game has a mean spirit to it on purpose.
It's like I think they call them anti-games. It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be. It's not. It's not supposed to be super fun. I mean, it's supposed to be fun, but it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be a challenge.
The fun is in seeing what horrible thing the developer did next.
Yeah.
That you have to kind of get through.
Yeah, exactly. Also, Hollow Zero, I just noticed. Are the spikes 1 pixel off? I think that they're no. They're all like snapped to the grid. It may look like that, but in order to get these lines, I have like another model over it, or I have another like it's using the grid system. The Unity has this grid system for terrain, and it uses that, so it may look like it's actually, I think the spikes are just not, they're not the full length. So I mean, guess maybe they're technically that like that. Oh yeah, so if you didn't do that boulder, you wouldn't be able to do this. You have to get up to that. Which may actually be a bit cruel, now that I think about it. Like, immediately getting you to do something like this.
Well, it's just that it's so far into the level that failure is...
Yeah. But like I said,
it becomes very punishing.
As long as you get back to the first level, you can save, but I mean, the game doesn't tell you anything. The game doesn't tell you that, but if you figure that out, Hello, Silent Tremor. Yes, we're playing my... I was not able... With Diesel Worm, my game was really broken. Or my editor just kept freezing for a reason I don't understand. Smetanol, gorge on them potatoes, the underwater creek. Hello, welcome. And so this is just to be annoying. I don't know, there's really no... Off!
Oh!
Well, I think that's actually the... Is this the same level? Okay, this is the same level. It's technically the next level isn't finished.
Oh.
Yeah, you can tell because not everything. So this is where I ended off at, which was advance on that, but now there's different levels of water.
Oh wow.
So it's a
that's ridiculous.
It's a much bigger level. Yeah. And this is where I ended because I didn't know exactly what I was going to do for this.
You need like Tony Hawk style tricks.
Yeah.
Points for.
I can't remember. I think you have to get at a very specific angle to actually get back up. Okay. Let's see if I can get back up. But yeah, there's no like end or anything in this level. It's literally just one potato. Okay, so you would do that, and then you would do this.
Okay, that's interesting. So you have all these levels that you have to get to the bottom of, and then you have to climb back up.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty interesting.
I don't know how I'm gonna force you to climb back up yet, but toesies. Uh-oh, this might not be enough. Oh, maybe it was. Oh, it was. And then we're back at the start. Yeah, that's
You
the
just
end.
need your spaceship that takes you back home at the very top. But you have to unlock it. And the key's at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to do this. I'm trying to actually. This isn't gonna work either. It's kind of hard to actually get over this because you. I'm just gonna avoid the thing. There we go. But yeah, that's the level. There's not much. That's a game. That's all I have so far. I don't think
brilliant.
I don't think that last level is actually. I don't think I actually have it in my release. Because it wasn't finished. So. Yeah, that's the level. I have some. I literally just copy paste the scene, and then I just move all this stuff away, so I don't have to like try to bring it back in.
Oh yeah,
Because
absolutely.
I'm lazy.
What, it's not laziness. That's called
There's also
being
this.
efficient.
There's also this, which I usually put at the end of levels. But yeah, and then I have this to make sure you don't leave the freaking atmosphere. So, yeah, that's good.
That's cool.
I had a lot of fun with it. So.
Well, I also am attempting to make a game.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a Game Boy game using like GB Studio.
Oh, snap.
I can post in the Twitch chat.
Yeah.
Because you can play it on itch.io.
Ooh, actually, yeah. I'll try to. Also, I get to finally see your username for your Twitch.
Oh yeah.
Oh no,
level 5 mini boss.
Oh, it's I think you need permissions.
Oh, do you need permissions to?
Yeah, just send it to.
I'll send it to
wait.
you in, or you
Wait.
can just copy paste, I guess.
Okay, let me. I want to try something. Permit. Oh wait. Permits at level 5. No, it's
No.
not set up.
Okay, but I can send it to you, and you can.
Yeah, just
I
put it
guess.
in mod chat or something. I don't know.
I'll just set it to Diesel Worm internal.
That's actually really interesting that it, because usually what it does is it just doesn't let you send the message.
Oh, so it like you can actually just copy paste from that?
Like, yeah. Usually, what happens is the message actually doesn't go through, like Twitch, or like blocks it, and it puts it up so that a moderator can say, yeah, okay, let it through. Okay, don't let it through.
Oh, I see. But yeah, it's a little Game Boy game. It's sort of like a Legend of Zelda.
G Studio.
It's a really old version of the game, so like I've completely revamped how it controls and everything, brand new dungeons and all that kind of stuff. So
Wait,
this, yeah, you want to go new game?
J and B. I just have to. J and K are A and B. Okay.
Yeah, if you have a controller hooked up to your machine, it'll
Oh yeah.
obey the controller.
Ooh.
And then I think, yeah, I haven't played it in a while, but like start and select are. I think start brings up a menu.
I Press B. I don't know how to.
Are you trapped?
I just
Oh,
don't
yeah,
know what.
everything's
what
so.
I don't. Oh, this is. Oh, I interacted with this. Oh, okay. I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Gear.
Yo, what is this gear for?
Yeah, I have no clue. I don't know what the gear for it.
So yeah, the focus of the game will be very puzzle based. So I want to kind of push that element of it, but like, again, this is a super old build, and it's just not.
Assuming I can't go here. Is this just like not?
Yeah, there should be some collision up there, so you don't go up that high.
Yeah, it's.
And yeah,
Metal
you run really slow in this game. Like, I've changed all the movements so you can run a lot faster, and it's like everything's so much cleaner. I can't believe I still have this old version up, but the version I have right now is so busted because I changed so many physics of things that it's pretty much unplayable. And I've been working on Diesel Worm, so I haven't gotten back to it.
Yeah, I've also. Well, I mean, I wasn't working on a chart game before the Diesel Worm thing happened anyway, but I kind of do want to go back to it at some point. But Diesel Worm is my top priority, so.
Absolutely.
Librarian Turtle. Hi, Red. Are you here to learn about the history of Clockton? History? No. I don't want your freaking history. Okay, no. Tell me about it. Clockton was founded exactly 1,000 years ago in the Nameless War. Texts say there are artifacts buried deep within Clockton, keeping the Nameless from ever attacking again. Ooh. The Nameless. Interesting. Very,
That's right, Ned. Nobody likes history.
Yeah, history sucks. I am a big fan of like Zelda games though, and like Zelda puzzles. It's just no, there's a squirrel. Oh, squirrel man. I'm all out of stock. Come back tomorrow. I have some good stuff then. All that. All the way he speaks. Oh, this. Interesting. So there's probably some mechanic that lets me like hop water, I would assume. Maybe. You can't tell me because this is a spoiler. You can't do that. It's not allowed.
Well, also a lot of the stuff has changed, so you do earn tools that allow you to do different things.
Oh, okay. That hurts. All right. I understand. I get it. I understand. Water is bad. Water equal bad. Oh, it's like a clock. The bear dude. Mechanist bear. Have you seen Hero Mouse? He walked off with my wrench. I can't fix the South Bridge without it. Oh. I guess this is the South Bridge, and I guess if I... Yep. It's interesting, though. I like this. I also played a lot of the or I didn't play a lot of them, but I played like Link to the Past and Oracle of Seasons and that sort of thing.
Oracle Seasons, Oracle Ages, yeah, a lot of that is kind of like in the DNA of this game for sure.
Yeah, everyone is getting ready for the festival. It's the 100th anniversary, you know. Yeah, I got that. The other guy, you know. Thanks. Wait, what was his name? Grandpa Goose. Thank you, Grandpa.
can I make the screen smaller? I could, but it is a Game Boy game, so
Yeah, it's
it's definitely a small screen.
okay. This is I don't know what. Oh, this is like an hourglass. Oh, I don't seem to be able to do anything with it.
No, you need some new abilities in order to interact with some stuff.
This is a tree. Red, the Tree of Ages. It's pretty big, I guess. I should probably find Hero Mouse. I guess it's telling me that I shouldn't be here yet. Does it work with Game Boy printer emulator? Oh.
I don't know if
Oh,
I've
Hero
never
Mouse.
tried it with a Game Boy printer.
Hey, Red. I need you to come with me quick. I found something neat in the forest. Did you take Mechanist Bear's wrench? I'm using it like a sword. Okay. Come on, I'll show you. It's near your house. I just came from there. Okay, I guess I'll go back to where I started. Good direction.
Yeah, I was getting people going, I don't know where my home is. I'm like, it's literally the first screen you started on. so I had to make it very explicit. Go back to where you started.
I mean, it like if you've played Zelda, you would know that. Here, let's check out what this sword can do to these gears. Do you mean Mechanist Bear's wrench? You have to admit, it's very sword-like. Hey, yeah. Oh, follow me. He slides off. Someone please give this mouse a natural sword. Yeah. What is he doing? He's summoning devils. What are you doing? What are you doing? Keep me doing that. Hey, Red. Isn't this neat? It looks dangerous. Maybe we shouldn't play with this. Yeah. Stop it, mouse. Don't touch it. Don't do it. It can't be that dangerous. It's kind of pretty. I don't care. I'm just going to stick my head inside this. Oh yeah, that's the smartest thing you could do, Mr. Mouse. Oh well. Here, Mouse. Oh no! Who could have foreseen that? Well, I guess I better go home. I mean, he's gone. There's nothing to do.
Nothing
Time
to see here.
Yeah, time to take a nap. No. Oh. Now I'm in a dungeon. Okay.
Yeah, put some safety rails up so you don't fall.
Yeah, it's only like places where bridges should be, it seems. Oh, what the heck? What the helly? Interesting. Wait, time has become theme. Entropy is inevitable, reality beckons. Oh, so I can only go on that a certain amount of times. I want to see what this is. Or should I go over the chest? I'm gonna go over the chest. It doesn't. No, it does not like that. Nope. I'm not going for the chest. At least it's not like I have to run a far distance to come back.
Yeah, that was the whole point.
Oh, we get better. The art, or not better art, but more detailed art. You know what I mean? It's zoomed. It's not. It's. Yeah.
It's a splash screen.
Yeah. Wow, what a mysterious device. I feel stronger while I hold it. Is this one of the ancient artifacts the librarian turtle talks about? You have obtained the entropy clock. Time has become an ally. Ooh. So does that mean I can just do this now? Ooh. Retrieved 30 dust. Dusted hams, you mean? Ooh, now there's blue. But what does blue do? Oh, I understand. Oh no, I misinterpreted. I understand now. You want that to actually fill up. So I was doing it wrong. You go here to fill it up. Right? Yeah. Okay. I see.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay quiet so that my tutorialization works or not. So yeah, you definitely got the mechanics now.
Yeah. No, it's not too hard. Although I feel like some people would struggle a little bit with it, but
Mhm.
it's like you trial and error a little bit, and I feel like you get it. Okay, so there's a gear. Oh, that's a hole. I was wondering if there's a hole, and I found out it is indeed a hole. But that's interesting. So like time is actually your life, basically.
Yes.
Hero mouse, great. I found you. Let's grab Mechanist's wrench and get out of here. This place is creepy. This wrench really does look like a sword. It also looks like an artifact. I wonder what Librarian Turtle would say about this. You have obtained the gear blade. Equip this in the pause menu by selecting it and assigning it to either the A or the B button. Ooh. Hero mouse? Oh no. Hero mouse, you're frozen like a statue. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, so this is... the controls are...
Oh, that's... I'm even using the old system where you can just put them on both buttons. Now I have it so that if you assign it to a button and switch the button, it swaps it over.
I didn't...
So you don't have to assign it to both buttons.
It's just... the controls are swapped for me, but that makes sense because it's like Nintendo. So like...
Yeah.
Because I'm using an Xbox controller.
Oh, I see.
Oh, can I beat the crap out of mouse? You stupid mouse! How dare you become a statue? You stinky! I'll come back and save you somehow. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Be nice to mouse. Okay, I'll be nice. Smack. Okay. Whoa, what? Okay, that's interesting. I got a key. Door mechanic.
Yeah, lock and key.
It's just like Trout Game. Oh my god. This is exactly Trout Game. I can't believe it. It's the same thing.
Pretty much.
Oh, and we're back. So now I can murder the townsfolk. Okay. That's what happens. You get a sword and then you... Yeah. I don't think... The game's not going to let me. I don't think you would put that in here. Or would you?
No, there's no murdering.
No.
And in fact, the most recent version, I'm not going to have any combat in it.
Oh.
Because I just want to focus on puzzles, and I didn't really like how I set up the combat in the first place, and it was all this extra logic, and...
Bridge. We got a bridge. Oh, we're back here. Great. Behold, citizens of Clocktown, salvation is upon you. Oh, well, hello, salvation. Peace will reign forever. Entropy has chosen now to divine us with its majesty. Grandpa Goose, what is this silliness? Who are you? I am Gray, the Minister of Peace. Entropy has chosen me as the sole survivor of the Nameless War. You're a kook, Gray. The Nameless War ended 1,000 years ago. The Nameless War started 1,000 years ago. Clocktown. I keep like trying to say Clocktown.
Yeah.
Clocktown can only postpone entropy. Oblivion is inevitable. Oblivion? This is Elder Scrolls now? Oh my god. This game is just everything. The Grey Fellow is really wasting my time. I suppose. Who are you? Regardless, how'd this guy get into town? I'm gonna stand here so he can't get away. You're blocking me, lizard boy. Librarian Turtle, if this Gray really is a survivor of the Nameless War, we should talk. I have to talk? I have to use... what if I just leave? Oh, it doesn't even let me. Oh, I like canceled that. That's interesting.
So, yeah, the mechanic is much clearer in the later versions. There's kind of 4 symbols. So there's basically 4 cardinal kind of like rotations of gear. So if you hit it one more time, it comes up.
Oh.
So that's much clearer in like the later versions.
Yeah. You! Ah! Another survivor. Blessed be the nameless. Together, let's put an end to this foolish realm. We will enter a new age of true peace. What? No! You're a crazy person. I think you should leave. Yeah, get out of here. Have you lost your senses? These animals have led you astray, child. Let me focus your path. What? You can't just... He's Thanos snapping everyone away. No. There, now there is nothing to left hold on to. No! You are now at peace. What did you do? Bring them back. Oh, I see. You're too far gone to be of any use. I shall remove you as well. Ah! What happened? Where am I? Oh, it's like an alternate dimension. Rude boy. Yeah, he was very rude, wasn't he? Should probably save. Save the game. So, like, would you actually be able to get this running on a Game Boy?
Yeah.
That's sick. Oh,
Yeah, I don't have any carts to
I
kind
think
of like burn to, but it works on my Analog Pocket, and it also works on my Mister setup, and those are supposedly cycle accurate versions.
I murdered it.
Yeah, I'm taking those guys out because I don't feel they really add to the experience as much, and I'd rather condense it down to a lot more kind of puzzles and environmental storytelling and things like that. So it feels more like a mysterious experience the entire time,
Yeah.
rather than just kind of like your traditional Zelda.
Yeah, it's the puzzle, the Zelda puzzle without the combat. That makes sense. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, can't go that way. This is good. I feel like this is gonna. It would actually take me a while to beat.
Yeah, I think I have just one dungeon that you can complete in this version.
Oh, okay. Oh,
can't
there's
recall.
there's the
The
hourglass. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you accidentally removed the bridge. So if you go back up where that gear was,
Oh, back.
yeah, you kind of like
Oh, is there?
yeah, that gear, there was a bridge and you removed it. So
Is
you have
it-
to hit it 2 more times.
Dang.
1 more time.
You
should
gotta put up the
make it
new
more-
version. Ah, here we
Make
go.
it more explicit. Yeah, because the bridge was there, but you removed it and then ran away.
Yeah. Well, I wasn't even trying to like hit it. It was just because I was hitting the enemy. Okay.
Don't have the right tool yet.
Oh, this is fun. Oh, okay.
And yeah, you do run faster in the more recent versions, and I've condensed down the map so that it's, again, you're running away from where you're supposed to go.
Oh.
You're supposed to go north. I thought that was a little bit clearer.
Well,
but
I also
again,
I as when I play games, I also just like try to explore everything,
okay.
but I also don't want to like spend too much time. Oh, it's the tree of ages. Looks like it's been dead for hundreds of years. What is that guy in the robes? How could he do this? Wait, did it say thousands of years and I said hundreds?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do I smack it?
I think that was just a something that creates a trigger in the background for a later event.
Oh. Clock tongue.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised how slow this game feels now. Just watching.
Yeah, it's I kind
'Cause,
of
yeah, the,
the movement
ahead.
is interesting because you move kind of depending on the footstep. It seems. Know what I
yeah,
mean?
there's a very specific movement speed that GB Studio has that I had to kind of like circumvent.
Mhm.
So it's way faster. It just affects how collision works with other actors in the scene, and it makes it kind of clunky in a weird way, and it broke a lot of things.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and this is south now. I have it in a completely different spot.
Gotta shave the game every time. Oh, look at this dude. Rock friend. Red, it is good to see you after all these many years. Time has been kind to you. Do I know you? More riddles? Ha! You really have not changed. The world, however, has changed quite a bit since we last spoke. But I have not. I am Rock Friend. Rock Friend? Well, that's kind of the interesting name to give yourself, but maybe I don't know. I don't know. Rock Friend, I'm sorry, I don't remember ever speaking to you. I am not surprised, Red. It has been, about 1,000 years? Humans usually do not live this long. Well then. Am I in the future? Ha ha ha, again with your riddles? Is there something you would like to discuss? How do I fix this? Bring me a seed from the Tree of Ages. We can discuss more then.
Oh, I thought there was supposed to be a seed from. Oh no, that's the later version.
Is there something you
So
would
now
like
you have to go to the
discuss?
tree.
What happened here? Do you know of entropy? I'm just gonna say no. Entropy, simply put, is the inevitable collapse of our universe. All matter, energy, space, and time need to be at equilibrium. Entropy is the purest form of that equilibrium. The cult known as the Nameless worship entropy is the true order of the universe. Clockton and the Tree of Ages were both established to defend against the Nameless. Since Clocktime was shattered, the Nameless have reduced our world to dust. We have been consumed by entropy far too soon. Is there something you would like to... I know someone, a streamer, who would absolutely love to play this game, by the way.
Okay.
Who are you? I am Rock Friend. I have been in this valley for many thousands of years. Maybe 1,000,000. You should already know this. Is there something you'd like to discuss?
So if you press the other button, you'll cancel out.
Okay. But yeah, if you... I don't know if you, like, want to wait to finish it, or... But I know someone who would definitely play this, like, on stream.
Yeah, I definitely want to put it together in some sort of meaningful order again and continue developing on it. My big issue is that I'm trying to find an art job because I don't have gainful employment, and my portfolio is not all that sharp. It doesn't represent what I can and can't do, and working on a Game Boy title doesn't add to that portfolio.
Yeah.
Like it. I don't think people would actually see it as something that's meaningful to their company.
Yeah. Still, I like the world's very interesting.
Yeah, I haven't really even like established a proper art style for it yet, or set dressed or anything. Like a lot of it's just kind of clunked together. And I think I've completely redone this map, and it's way smaller and more concise and tighter, and like it's just a lot more pleasant to navigate.
I would at least suggesting putting the newer version on here then.
It's so broken that you can't.
You
can't actually go from level to level properly. Like there's so much broken in it. Like I'd have to spend a month on it just to get it to a working state, so that it would be like somewhat functional.
Yeah, okay. Well, I guess maybe after Diesel Worm you can get a break.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
I think this must be a Seed of Ages. I should head back And talk to Rock Friend.
And then yeah, like this whole like going north to south fetch quest thing is way too long, especially because like you move so slow. Like I've
Yeah.
cleaned
Oh,
up so much of this.
and you have this stupid friggin' whatever those things are. Oh, did I get more life or am I? I thought it was I had 3.
Oh yeah, that was something that I didn't expressly state. Is whenever you pick up a seed, it gives you an extra hourglass.
Oh. Yeah, maybe like a having like an animation or something that shows the hourglass appear or something.
Something like that. But like that takes some development time, and I'm like I got other things to
Yeah.
other fish to fry in the game. So yeah, little things like that just to make it feel a little bit more cohesive when you're playing it.
Yeah. Seed of Ages. What happened to the Tree of Ages? It has used all of its strength to keep the world from falling apart. The tree needs your help to revive the world. Please plant the seed at my base. Okay. Now what? Now I believe I understand your riddles. You'll see me soon. I shall see you never again. What? Goodbye, Red. What? Hello? Man, we did it. Everything is back to normal. Odd. I do not believe we did anything. You, however, appeared from nowhere, which I would not consider normal. What manner of being are you? Did that seed affect your memory? I'm Red. I'm confused. You speak in riddles. Let me introduce myself, Red Creature. I am Rockfriend. I've been in this valley for many thousands of years. Maybe a million? Why, maybe, yes. Has it been that long? How can I be of service? What did the seed do? Another riddle. Do you mean the Seed of Ages? The Tree of Ages has power over the forces of entropy, restoring order from chaos. The seed extends the Tree of Ages' influence in both space and time. If you have planted the Seed of Ages, you may have stabilized time in a small area. Well done. I'm sure there are more seeds out there to be discovered. Do you remember me? You insist we know each other, yet I cannot recall you before your appearing just now. It's kind of interesting because it's like the roles are reversed now.
Yeah.
I like that. I like that. Seemed like a keen enough lass. Someone worth remembering, and for that I apologize. How can I be of service? What do I do now? If I had your mobility, I would explore. There is a full world out there, many sights to see and friends to meet. And if you have a green thumb, I think you would enjoy tree planting. Oh, wait, right here for your return from your journey. I like waiting. It is what I do best. Okay, well, wait, I guess. Yeah, this is cool.
So I think there's just one more dungeon to explore.
Oh, okay. So I guess not everything. Oh, I probably just stabilize this area. It's probably only this place, right? Yeah, I stabilized Clockton, but I didn't stabilize like the world. And I'm assuming that probably the dungeon is this way.
You know what? I really can't remember. The map has changed so much.
What are these things?
They're creepy little heads.
Okay. I mean, that's what they look like. I just... They kind of also look like the slimes in
Dragon Quest?
no,
No.
in a Zelda game. In a Zelda game. Like it might have been, oh, the first Zelda game, I think. It's like those little tiny blob things. Wow. Shopkeep squirrel, not you too. How can I save you? Guess I'm going in here. So I guess I was right. This is the dungeon. Okay. Oh, for a second I thought I was stuck. Well, obviously I can't go there. Wait a minute. Wait 1 second. This also reminds me of a Zelda thing. I think? Okay, maybe not. Oh, never mind. I thought it was like whatever, like you swap them by going on the certain colors, but maybe not.
That's an interesting deduction.
Well, that's what it reminded me of, like, because in Zelda, it's like you would smack a switch, and then both of these would.
Well, one of the issues is that you only have so many palettes to work with on a Game Boy Color.
Yeah. Oh. Band. Is Siribot not working? What the hell? What the helly? Siribot is supposed to like just ban them. Whatever.
Well, it automatically deleted the message, so I didn't even see what the message was.
Oh, it did delete them in
Yeah.
Saltbox. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it was just my. I have like a stream chat that's like kind of like an extension of OBS, and it acts weird sometimes. So I think that's just what happened. Oh,
Oops. Yeah. So
no safety rails here.
my later version reacts a little bit better when you fall into a pit. So here's your puzzle room.
Explore a little bit. Oh, there's no way I'm making that. There's no way. There's just no way. I might as well try, but there's no way. Oh, I did. I just made it. Oh, but now there's like... Oh, I can't do anything here. Well, now I'm not making it back. Yeah, I like the time thing. It's a really interesting mechanic.
Yeah, like the original version of the game was very, very grid-based, and it was kind of like a roguelike dungeon crawler.
Mhm.
It had some pretty interesting features to it, but like I couldn't think of how to make it fun. It almost felt like it was a chore.
Yeah. It like almost feels like grid based, almost. But I think that's because of the way the movement works.
Yeah, it is very grid-based on that, and that's why I like my new movement system kind of avoids that, so you can go a lot, faster.
Oh,
So
maybe
yeah,
it is
the
still
grid is
grid-based.
basically
It's just
half-step
small.
grid.
Yeah, that's what it is. So there is a grid, okay. I like the game Steam Link. I think I still have it. It's not on Steam, it's on itch.io. This is just a browser.
Yeah.
I didn't link
Yeah,
my-
when I demo it on my Steam Deck, and I demo it on like my Analog Pocket, which is like a big Game Boy.
Mhm.
And it looks awesome on those systems.
I will support the dev. The dev is right here in the chat.
Hi, I'm the
Voice.
dev.
For some reason, Fugi isn't working, so can't show you. But she sounds polite. Very smart. Yes,
Yeah,
she is.
I'm a bit transy.
Equip the blaster in the pause menu, selecting it and assigning it to either the A or B button. I kind of knew that was going to happen, by the way, on stream. I was kind of
Oh,
like,
yeah. It's fine. Like my gender's fluid. It's cool.
yeah. Oh wait, I have to equip this. I'll do 8. I would donate her a $500 if she can do a game about managing. Why? What is with you and dildos, Tanya? Never mind that. Tanya, please. Tanya is a very weird individual. But you have to behave, Tanya. Wait, didn't I open this?
Oh, yeah, you did. It should be. It's empty. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. I fixed that bug. But not in this version.
Well, I mean, it did say it was empty, so.
So, yeah, you have a new tool that you haven't bothered using yet.
Oh god. Oh, it's... Yay. Wait, I can probably just shoot over these things. Oh, so this does work that way. It does work that way. I'm gonna support anyway. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, what did I say? Oh, that's interesting. I don't have a key. Oh, well. Wait, am I like stuck? Now you make me think. What happens if I do this? I'm just stuck.
Yeah, you get stuck. So, yeah, not exactly the best thought out puzzle on my behalf.
Tune said when this tune tried to hobby shaming me. When this tuna. I'm not a tuna! Yeah, am I screwed? Did I screw myself? I'm not screwed. Ah, yes. I don't see a damn difference. Tunas are huge. They're actually huge fish. Absolutely massive. I'm just a little guy, a little trout guy. Okay, I did that. I'm a little confused. Also, that changed color. That's interesting.
Yeah, it's using the same palette.
Hmm.
Because I'm doing like red and blue palette swaps when it comes to the sprites. So that's why the hourglass changes color.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'll go this way. What did I do? I'm now.
Keep going north because you missed something north. Because there's this whole room that you didn't explore.
Oh, I just like left.
You just left.
I was just like, yeah, screw this place. I'm done. Oh, there is up. Go up. Oh, because I think it was like this originally, wasn't it? Or maybe not. I don't know. Does it go through the walls? It does. Oh, because I went this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So from the perspective of poor and hungry people, fishing a trout is a better option to feed a big family. What? No, it's fishing a tuna is. Tunas are the big ones. Question mark? You didn't use the question mark in the other spot. So it was kind of like...
Yeah, it's a little bit of a new mechanic. So here's a trick. Press your shoot button.
Oh.
Yeah. That was supposed to tutorialize that, like to figure it out. But I found that a lot of players just did not know that it was like.
Yeah, I thought it
holding
was
steady.
Yeah, I mean I was one of them. So. That is way easier though. Yeah. Like how the entire time I've just had this music play. This is the
Well,
music of the game.
This game's pretty silent at the moment.
Yeah. Do you do these streams about reviewing indie game very often? No. I usually just. Oops.
Okay, so if you go up, there's an hourglass at the very top of the room.
Yeah. Wait, am I going the wrong way? Yeah.
No.
Oh no, I'm not.
No, you're not. The one room to the right that you couldn't do anything had a locked door.
Yeah. I just didn't remember which way I went. Yes, it was this one. Yeah, see, you missed the question mark thing here.
No, that was on purpose to kind of like be
Oh.
a hidden block in the room. So again, like there's some mixed messaging going on here.
If I casually do a game, can you check the game? Maybe. Frick you, face things. Oh, wow. Oh, that's... Okay. And it's also the same with the sword. No! So you won't judge me? No promises. Uh-oh. Boss time. Can I... Oh, that's...
So yeah,
Did that
you can
freeze
stun
them?
them with. Yeah, it's just that for some reason it has to like wait a cycle before it froze him. I think I have that fixed, but at the same time I've removed.
I did it.
Uh,
I almost
yeah, you
died.
did it.
I almost died there. Well, okay, Tanya, if your game is just dildos, then I will judge you. Another Seed of Ages. Oh, I can feel the flow of time stabilizing. Got what I came for. I should leave. Oh! Squirrel. Oh, wow. Thanks for shaving me from them creatures. You weren't in town when everyone disappeared? No, I wandered off looking for the new place.
Space Dash.
Space Dust. It seems valuable, eh? Oh, thank you. Oh, wait, what do you mean everyone disappeared? You should go back to town and see for yourself. I'm looking for a way to save them. Okay, I'll meet you at my shop in town. If you find any more dust, bring it to me. I love the way he talks. Congratulations on completing the 0.31 build of Age of Entropy. Ooh, please leave any suggestions, issues, and comments. I want to make this game the best I can. Thank you so much. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, there you go. That was my.
Yeah,
that was my
no,
game.
this is cool.
Yeah, there's definitely some more stuff in there. Like there's extra dungeons and stuff if you go to the debug option at the start menu. But like, really, it's yeah, return to title. But yeah, that's my little game.
Okay, that was really cool.
For
Thank
a
you.
very old version of my little game.
Yeah, no, I like that. I like the puzzles. It really is like a. It's very Zelda-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's cool.
Well, thanks for playing that on stream. That was fun.
I will link that again. That is the link to the game. Very fun, and it was made right here by Maddie or Mini Boss, level 5 Mini Boss.
will work. Yeah, Mini Boss works.
Do you have a? Oh yeah, you do have a Twitch, but do you ever stream on Twitch or no? Actually,
I've streamed a couple times. You know, I didn't really get much of an audience, and I'd always forget to do it because when I'm like in the zone, it's hard for me to like talk and do things at the same time.
Yeah. All right, I have a command I need to test, and you are going to be the guinea pig. Yay! There we go. Oh, your face is on there.
Very well.
Your face is on your Twitch, so
Oh yeah.
So it's whatever, I guess. Yeah.
I suppose I could swap that out.
Yeah. That's your choice. I mean, I've shown my face on stream. It's not really that bad.
Mhm.
Actually, I've even like said my last name. So, you know. But anyway, I think that'll be it. But that was fun. I like that game. Yeah.
Oh, good. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it.
It's also I also
And,
enjoyed showing you Trout Game as well. That was fun.
Trout Game looks like a hoot.
Yeah, it's definitely not everyone's game. That's for sure. Like I can completely understand that. It's just. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's the secret area, by the way, where you can just murder yourself for no reason. I was thinking of doing like a achievement for that, for like murdering yourself on every level or something. I don't know. Anyway, get it for the fishy smell. I remember that time when you used webcam and someone asked you if your hair was real. Wow, good time. So, did someone asked if my hair was real? Like, what? Okay. I don't remember that at all, but it is real. My hair is very real. Yes, me. Okay, but why did you say someone? All right. I think we're gonna find someone to raid. Maddie, do you have anyone that you like watch?
Not really.
I
Like,
usually was just going to go to browse and then do.
I mainly use it for like games done quick kind of stuff. Like when they have the. Have you ever watched Games Done Quick?
Yeah. Oh, well, I used to be big into doing speedruns. I used to do Goose Game.
Oh, no way. Oh,
Yeah,
that's cool.
I was like third at one point, but that was like at the start. Dev. Wait, it's right here. Lane, I think I just know someone with the same a username similar to that. I do know there was one dude. Where is he? He's probably near the bottom. That Dusted. One time when Dusted was streaming, he raided. I might just pick someone random. Probably someone a little smaller. Turt's a Goldbot. There's tons of one. Or I could be lazy and just raid the streamer I mod for. Oh, look, there we are. Yay.
Hey, Worm Wednesday.
Yeah, Worm Wednesday. It's actually interesting because it shows up twice. I never thought about that. Yeah, I might. I think I'm just gonna raid Larksa. Because hopefully I can get her to play our game, and she's like I said, I mod for her, and she's like 200 average at least.
Okay.
It's not the worst, and her boyfriend is actually Distortion 1. I don't know if you know him.
Nope.
He used to do a lot of maybe I can get him also to play.
I mean, like, yeah, if we find like cool like community members to, play the game and get a little bit of visibility on it, that'd be rad. But
I don't.
Let's get it into some sort of playable state before we do that.
Yeah. Well, I think I would do is get it to a point where, if we like have a demo, I think that's when I would.
Mm-hmm.
Ads? No ads. You're not getting any other ads. Okay, I don't know if I can do a raid on. Fellas, there's C# position open nearby. They want to move away from PHP. Problem is, I don't have experience in either. Solution: I am a god. Okay. Yeah, just do both. I don't. I'm gonna try to see if I can raid on. I can't. I can't raid because I'm not a broadcaster. Is Dustin here? I might just have to. No, he's not on. Okay, I guess I'm just raiding from here. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah, appreciate it.
And thank you, Maddie, for stopping by. It was fun.
Absolutely.
we
I
have
want to be a little bit more of a contributor moving forward.
Yeah, I mean, we maybe sometime we can get you to do a stream as well, because that would be cool.
Absolutely.
Because I mean, people understand art better than they understand code. So
Well, it's just that art's, you know, it's a little bit more compelling to see like things moving around the screen rather than just kind of like, you know,
yeah.
code and script.
Yes, I did notice, Tanya. I stared at you. Sorry. But yeah, you're right. You're right. It's so hard when you stream because it's like when you're talking to someone and you're distracted by chat and with ADHD. But yeah, thank you, Tony, for joining my Discord. There's also a Saltbox Discord. We also have a YouTube, which is currently being streamed. Oh, that's interesting. That Discord thing also posted to the YouTube live chat. That's the YouTube, which we actually are live on. And as long as we're live on YouTube, it saves it into a playlist so you can watch the other ones we do. And I guess technically I have a YouTube too. I just like I have to you have to do stuff. But all that's on there is my Stalker Deathless Challenge, the first game. Yeah, I beat that entire game without dying. It was, I think I did it like at 150 attempts or something like that.
Oh,
and
wow.
like the game is like 8 hours. It's separated. The run was actually separated into 2 streams, two 4-hour streams. So, but yeah, I didn't waste time. That was fun. I'm still doing that challenge, by the way, for like the series. So I'm doing the second game now. Anyway, let's do the raid. Let's do the raid. Thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna raid Larksa because I just don't want to pick one right now, honestly.
Yeah, fair enough. Awesome. I think I'm gonna step out. So
yeah,
thanks so much for having me.
Yeah, and thank you for coming by.
Yeah, see you next time.
All right, see ya. All right, guys, thank you, and I hope you enjoy Larksa. I can't do the raid from Dusted's or from Saltbox channel. So if you guys want to, actually, I'm gonna try one thing. I don't think this works. I don't think you set that up. No. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm streaming Wednesday or Friday because I still do want to finish that the Deathless Challenge that I was just talking about. Otherwise, Wednesday again next week we'll have another dev stream. I don't know who's gonna do it. Maybe it'll be Maddie this time. Otherwise, it'll probably be me or Dustin. I mean, it'll be one of us. One of us. One of the 3. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy Larksa.